how to download and install Lightroom on PC for free. So if you want to download and install Lightroom on PC for free, then first you can open up a browser. On the browser, you need to search for BlueStacks. Once you search for BlueStacks, make sure to download the BlueStacks application on your PC or your laptop. So go with download option and make sure to download it. For now, I've already downloaded the BlueStacks on my device. So you just need to simply go with the BlueStacks and open up the BlueStacks on your device and wait for it to load. Once it loads, now you just need to simply go with search for games and apps. And here you need to search for Lightroom. If you don't find that, then you need to simply go with the bottom of your screen, which has Open Google Play app. Click on that. Now you'll get this kind of interface where you will have the Lightroom application. So you just need to simply go with install, click on install, and it will start the installing process. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. And in this way, you'll be able to download and install Lightroom on your PC for free. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.